Let's get around each other, yeah, each line.
Let's go, girls. Come on, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Go! With you, mate, with you. All day, babe. Go, Liggy! Come on! Let's go! Well done. Good work. Piper, pipes. Hold! G! Yeah, Liggy! 30! Croc, Taylor, take a 30. Great work! Let's go. When it's in the air, let's get set. Good spot, Killer! Killer, get some depth! Off the shoe! She kicked it! Good! Hey, Hutch! Hutchie! Hey! Here! Right here, too close! Right, hit me! Back! Silly! G! Croc! 30! Great support.
You're on fire.
Back! Amy! Back! Bowie! 30! Kato, can you get my mouth guard? Thanks, doll. Bowie, outstanding pressure, mate. Good work, girls. Great work, doll. Awesome. Great work, Aim. Well done, girls. Really good.
Brilliant.
Strong as. Hey, really good work, girls. That set in the midfield is awesome. Yeah, back! Come on, bounce. Hey, Amac, that started with you. Composure, off the line. Hey, Ponta, here! Oi, over there! There! Hit me! Yeah, draw! E! Fine control, E! Hold! Fine control. Oh, good work, girls. Great work, Pipes. Nina, great composure. Really good. Good work. Hey, Prezi, that's the one. Popped up late, awesome. Great work right in there. Awesome. Great work, mate. Good work, Lingy. Unreal. Good work, girls. Really good. Great work, Prezi. Awesome. Great work, hey, Mac. Go, girl.